Good morning, everyone. My name is Preeti Dhammaraju, and today I'll be presenting on global IT outsourcing and strategy, focusing on Netflix as a case study. We will explore what outsourcing is, its benefits and risks, and how Netflix strategically leveraged it to achieve global success. What is global IT outsourcing? Let's start with the definition. Global IT outsourcing is a practice of hiring an external organization in another country to manage IT functions. This can take three main forms: infrastructure as a service, where companies use cloud servers, storage, and networking from providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. Software as a service, ready to use applications over the internet such as Office 365 or Salesforce. Business process outsourcing, where entire functions like IT help desk, technical support, or payroll are handled by third party providers. Key benefits. Outsourcing offers several advantages. First, cost reduction. Companies can leverage global labor markets to save significantly on development and maintenance. Second, access to expertise, tapping into talent that may not be available locally. Third, focus on core business, freeing internal teams to work on innovation and strategic priorities. And lastly, flexibility and scalability, allowing quick adjustments in IT resources to match changing business demands. The drawbacks and risks. However, there are also important challenges. Security and IP risk. Data breaches and compliance violations are possible when working across borders. Loss of control. Outsourcing can reduce direct oversight over quality and timelines. Communication barriers. Differences in time zones, language, and culture can slow progress. And hidden cost. Like vendor management, legal fees, and scope creep can add up unexpectedly. Case study: Netflix IT strategy. Now, let's look at Netflix. Their core goal is to deliver a seamless streaming experience to over 200 million users across 190 plus countries. This strategy rests on three pillars: cloud native architecture, data driven personalization, extreme resilience, and scalability. Cloud native architecture built for the cloud from the start using microservices. Data driven personalization algorithms process over 4 billion user interactions daily. Next, extreme resilience and scalability capable of handling over 100,000 requests per second with 99.99% uptime. How outsourcing powers Netflix? Netflix made a bold decision outsourcing its entire data center infrastructure to Amazon Web Services. This allowed global scale. They cloud expand into new markets without building physical data centers. It ensured high availability, means leveraging AWS multi-region setup for consistent service, and it drove agility and innovation, freeing over 2,000 engineers to focus on improving the streaming platform instead of managing servers. Conclusion. In conclusion, outsourcing is a strategic choice with both benefits and risks. For Netflix, outsourcing infrastructure wasn't just about saving money. Though they did save an estimated 1 billion, it was a core business decision that enabled speed, resilience, and global market dominance. The key lesson is that when outsourcing is aligned with business objectives, it can become a true competitive advantage rather than just a tactical cost cutting measure. Thank you, and I'm happy to answer any questions.